Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Libras, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that, guys. That may give you more clarity or answer some questions, doubts you have in your mind, Libras. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. We have ship, fish, and bear. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are really stubborn about something. Maybe you are holding on to some ideas or uh, your way of doing things, and you don't want to change yourself. You don't want to see changes in your circumstances. So there are opportunities coming towards you, something you can make use of today, that is going to help you, but you are holding on to your ideas or your way of doing things, and that is obstructing you taking up some new opportunities in your life today, Libras. So you need to think out of the box, think differently, do things in a different way if you want your circumstances to change in your work, or it may be the situation in this relationship. So you want to change yourself, you want to change the way this person is, you want a better relationship with this person. So maybe today you need to start with changing yourself first. And you are really obsessive over something. Maybe you're really obsessed over this person, or maybe obsessed over some ideals you have, maybe some beliefs or your ideas about something, or it may even mean some habits you have. So it may be some bad habits. If it is something good, something like a detox diet or something like exercising, some healthy habits, that is not going to affect you. But if it is something bad like drinking or smoking, something that is affecting your health and your emotional state, it is simply going to ruin this relationship, ruin the way things are going today, guys. And also, Libras, there is someone really close to you. They may be your family member or your friend. You trust this person, but they are not to be trusted. So they have really bad intentions towards you. They want to make things really difficult for you. So they are giving you ideas, trying to manipulate you in some ways. And maybe they do not like this person you love. So they are creating all kinds of difficult circumstances for you. They are trying to ruin this love you have with this person. So you need to be really careful. If you know who it is, if you know who is the one trying to dominate you or trying to manipulate you, you need to stay away from this person and think for yourself. If you want clarity, if you want to avoid some difficulty in your circumstances today, you need to think for yourself clearly, guys, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Clover. So looks like there is going to be a chance for you to make things right, and it is going to be your lucky chance in love, and you need to make use of it, guys, because it is not going to be there forever. So there is some change happening today in your relationship. It may be a chance to meet this person accidentally. Maybe they are not talking to you, you are in separation, maybe they you see them suddenly. You need to make use of this chance you are getting today, something unexpected, and you need to make use of it. So you should not miss this lucky opportunity in love, guys, to make things right. So make use of it today, Libras. So for your career situation, we picked one card and it says birds. So in your work circumstances, maybe there is someone telling you something important. Maybe your mentor or your colleagues, they may tell you something, some truth about some choices you have made. And if you go by their advice, you are going to get clarity. Or for some of you, you are talking to the people you work with, maybe your mentor or your colleagues, about something important. You are discussing about something important today, guys, and you will see clarity very soon, Libras, in your career circumstances. So that is the reading for you all today, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here for y'all today. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep the second card here. We will see what is the card. A leg up. So with this card, in your circumstances, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, it just means that you cannot go on like this anymore, and there are opportunities coming in your life, and if you need to embrace those opportunities, or if you need to do something better, you need help, you need that teamwork and interdependence. That is what this card means. So relationships do very well if we work together as a team. When you have people, when you have your person supporting you, and when you support them, it is going to be a very positive, meaningful connection, and you will be met with kindness and love. So maybe you are feeling really vulnerable. You want this person's ideas or suggestions on certain things. You need to ask for it, guys, because they will not know what is there deep down in your heart of hearts. So you need to voice out your request. Maybe you want help, or you want a guidance in something, or you want this person's decision on something, whatever it may be. You need to ask and you will get that help, and trust your circumstances, and you can go forward with this help. You can request their help. There is nothing wrong, guys, with interdependence and teamwork in a relationship. That is going to help you a lot, and this is that time, maybe that time for you to give up all your inhibition, maybe whatever is holding you back from asking, you need to give all that up and ask for help. That is this card's energy here, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, a fiery climax approaches, full moon in Aries. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today in your circumstances you were concentrating too much on yourself, and maybe there is some argument or some kind of a confusion because you want something and this person wants something else, and you don't know what will happen next. So there is some kind of what to say, a lot of things are happening today, and you may feel really sensitive, emotional, and you need to understand whether think within yourself whether you were rushing towards some decisions or some choices, or whether you have been too harsh, too stubborn, holding on to something in this relationship, and maybe you are the reason for the way things are going the way they are today. So you need to come out of it, maybe, and you need to do it what to say, with understanding. So whatever decisions or whatever, uh, maybe you're speaking something, you must not be influenced by how you feel emotionally, but to try to uh, go about any circumstances in a very balanced way. That is going to help you, guys. And you, if you are interested in meditation, you can take that up. That is going to help you a lot today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, with these two cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.